Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC, where we're going to be taking a look at a fixed blade today. Now, I know I don't do a lot with fixed blades, especially larger fixed blades, more like hunting and camping and that type of thing, just because, well, those are really two activities that I don't partake in a whole lot. So if I usually do a fixed blade, it's going to be a smaller, more EDC style fixed blade, which still tends to scare people here in the Pacific Northwest. But I digress. But our good friend Tim S. sent this one along. This is the Oknife Fortitude. Now, I will tell you that Oknife, Olight, obviously same company. You're not going to find this one really on the Olight website. You're going to find this one on the Obuy website. Now, if you're not familiar with Obuy, it's basically Oknife's, or Olight, excuse me. It's Olight's more camping and outdoor related website. They have tents, they have lanterns and sleeping bags and all that type of thing. And I will definitely leave links down in the description so you can go check it out. But you will find the Fortitude on Obuy. Now, we're just going to take a quick look. It's got this nice Kydex sheath right here. Belt clip, of course, it is set up for vertical carry right now with that clip. So there you go. But really, really nice. I mean, there's really no noise, and the retention on this thing is fantastic. Listen to that snap. Push. Whoa. I guess I can't aim, but listen to that snap. Yeah, it is very, very secure in that sheath. Really nice sheath for sure. But here is the knife. This is the Fortitude. Now you take a quick look at it. Obviously, you've got a nice clip point blade there. G10 handles. Really, really nice and really super comfortable. We'll get to that. Do have a spot for a lanyard. Full tang construction, as you can see there. Now this is Cerakoted D2 steel. Really, really nice. Of course, you got the Oknife logo right there. D2 right there as well. And there you go, the Fortitude, model number, all that good stuff. Really nice profile on this one for sure. Really, I like that. I do like that clip point. Nice sharpening choil there. Do have a little bit of a ramp to give you a nice, resting spot for your thumb if you need it. Of course, now your spine is kind of, it's not a straight spine. You do have a nice little landing spot there for your thumb as well, to get it forward and kind of get a little bit of pressure on that blade for sure. But let's take a look at some specs here. So overall, what are we looking at? You're checking out at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're looking at pretty much a 9-inch knife. Working on 4 3/4-ish on the handle. And then you're basically gonna get about a 4 1/4-ish inch blade. And then your cutting edge is pretty much, it's just over 4 1/2 on the cutting edge. So I'm sorry, 4 and just over 4 on the cutting edge. Grip length, you're looking at right about 1, 2, 3, 4, right about 4 inches point to point. And that's kind of how it looks in my 3 3/4-inch hand. As you can see there, I do have a little bit of room left over. Not a lot, but a little bit. We're going to throw some size comparisons out there. Now, I am going to use, our normal size comparison knives just to kind of give you an idea. But there you go. That's how it sets up against a PM2. And, let's do something out of the Hunt series. Let's get the old Benchmade out there. There you go. That's kind of how it looks wrapped up against the Benchmade. Nice. Nice. So, I mean, obviously, it's not really a fair comparison, but that's what I have handy. So that's what we're going to do. The good old tagged out. I'm telling you what, guys, that tagged out. Oh, yeah. So we're going to take, what do we got overall? We're looking at 202 grams or 7.1 ounces without the sheath. We'll throw the sheath on there and we'll take a look at it. So 10.9 with the sheath, and that rounds out to 308 grams. So the sheath, well, sheath and clip, I guess, add a little bit of weight to it. But I'm telling you what, this has a really, really good feel in hand. Now, you do have that forward finger groove there for the index finger, and then the rest of the fingers kind of just lay in that handle, but it does feel really, really good in hand. Everything is chamfered off really nicely. That kind of black and OD G10 looks really, really nice. Everything's chamfered really, really well. Very well done. Either grip, I mean, if you wanted to, you can even get your index finger out there. Rest your thumb right here. You still got your index finger in that groove, and you can actually get a really good grip if you need to scrape or, you know, hey, it's hunting season, so there you go. You need to scrape a hide or something like that. Really, really, just, you know, an overall really good feeling knife. Now, like I said, guys, I don't do a whole lot of camping or hunting. Nellie's idea of camping is room service and lots of pillows. So, you know, it is what it is. But, you know, and I tried to get my boys into camping. Yeah, that didn't work. But, hey, it is what it is, you know. But I'm kind of liking the room service and pillows myself. But, you know, if you're in a spot for, you know, needing just a nice, you know, it's not a overly large knife, but this, I have no doubt this would do a little bit of, this will do some work for you. I have no doubt about that. D2 blade steel, you know, it's going to hold an edge fairly well. It is Cerakoted, so you're not really, you know, with that Cerakote finish, you're not going to have to worry about the corrosion and stuff as much. Obviously, keeping your blades clean is always going to be your first preventative measure in any case like that. Now, I do want to tell you, Oknife, Olight, Obuy, however you want to look at it, their Black Friday sale starts really, really soon. As a matter of fact, I think Obuy's might start tonight or early Sunday morning. So I'm going to leave, like I said, I'm going to leave links down in the description so you guys can go check it out. But normally this sells for $89.99. During their Black Friday sale, it's $71.99. So not a bad price for this knife. Good, decent size, fixed blade, very, very nice Kydex sheath for sure. You know, overall, I think it's a pretty darn good value, really, in my opinion. You know, that's what I give you, my opinion and my thoughts. So check out those links if you're interested in the Fortitude. Once again, huge shout out to our good friend Tim S. for loaning me not only the Fortitude, but he loaned me the Roboto. Ooh, the Roboto 2 comes out during this Black Friday sale on Olight website. I know some people were asking me about a smaller version of the Roboto. The Roboto 2 is a smaller version. Different blade style, though. And I am digging it, and I can tell you, I am going to do my damnedest to pick one of those up, because I really, really want to check that out. Really cool blade style. Looks more like a sheep's foot than a Tanto. And, yeah, I'm stoked. But there you go, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the Oknife Fortitude, available on Obuy. Links down in the description. As always, guys, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.